My skin is terrible and my wig is cheap. But y'all, it is time to eat. Hello everyone, my name is Happy Back Legends and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Yes, so today I'm really excited because I'm going to be making a chickpea burger for the first time, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me on this journey. Yes. Just a quick note, there will be no bun for this burger. There will be no bun for this burger because I can't eat gluten because it makes me shit my pants or throw up for 2 days straight. Or sometimes a combination of the two, which is super cool. So I didn't buy gluten-free bread because gluten-free bread is $6, and instead of buying gluten-free bread, I decided to buy some chocolate and I ate it. But as you will see, making a chickpea burger is going to be extremely easy. You don't need much, and there's many different ways to do it. I saw that some people like to add beans to it. Some people add like carrots, some people add like different sort of vegetables and whatnot. I'm going to be doing a very basic breakfast, so here we go. Just wanted to show you guys this sustainability tip. I keep all my Nesquik jars and I put lentils, rice, beans, whatever in them, and I do recycle all my plastic bottles as well. Recycling is really nice because it's a way to make extra money. There were times where I would get like 10 bucks from recycling, and I know you're thinking like, okay, 10 bucks, but that's like 10 things at the Dollar Tree. That's like some rice, some beans, some lentils. Back when I would eat meat, I would get eggs and turkey bacon from the Dollar Tree, so $10 can go a long way in my situation. So here I have my yams, which are going to be my side for the chickpea burgers. I have a regular red onion, green onion, my can of chickpeas, which I got from Target, actually, and these Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce, which is vegan. So now I'm cutting up some green onions because what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the green onions into sort of the chickpea burger just to give it some extra flavor and texture. Oof, 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 it's making me cry, it's making me cry. I didn't raise no bitch. Okay. And then after I'm done cutting the green onion, I'm gonna start cutting up a red onion. And I'm gonna grill the red onion before adding it into the chickpea burger just to give it some more taste. You know, I feel like grilled onion is just heavenly. I don't know. Next, I'm going to open the can of chickpeas to get that ready to go into the blender. And then after that, I'm going to start preparing my yam. Y'all, I'm being super lazy here. I'm literally just going to throw this in the microwave. You just set it for like 5 minutes and it gets it really soft. Really easy. That's all I'm doing. Sorry, Mom. And then next, it's time to put everything into the blender. So first the chickpeas, and then I mixed seasonings before I started filming. I believe it was chili powder, onion powder, nutritional yeast, garlic salt, basil, rosemary, parsley, just kind of the whole cupboard. God, what the fuck? What the hell? Come on now, come on. Oh. And then after you struggle with the red hot fucking bottle for a few minutes, you're gonna add that in with the chickpeas. And then I added in my grilled onions, and I also added in a couple handfuls of green onions. You guys, I didn't measure anything for the seasonings. I think for the most part I used half a teaspoon, except for the nutritional yeast. I think I used like a full tablespoon. And then when it comes to blending, you don't want to blend it, you want to pulse it. And here's where I kind of made my first mistake. I can't eat gluten, so I didn't put any flour in here. I feel like maybe I pulsed my chickpeas too much, or I didn't let them dry long enough because they were kind of mushy. And what I ended up having to do, which I didn't get on camera because it was a huge struggle, was I had to throw flax seed. I just happened to have some extra flax seed on me, and I threw that into the mixture to sort of help bind it together. You can also use chia seeds, applesauce, but I kind of wanted this to be more savory than sweet. And then, as you can kind of see in the skillet, you know, one stayed together and the other one kind of fell apart. Okay, so this is the barbecue sauce. This is the Walden Farms barbecue sauce. First of all, just listen to this. Barbecue sauce should never make that noise. I'm a little scared. Okay. It smells barbecue-like. It's definitely very watery. It kind of has like a maple back taste. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god. That is really good. Oh my god. So I just got done cleaning my dishes and everything like that, and that was fucking amazing. Okay, that was like really freaking good. And then two, the barbecue sauce actually was really good once it was on like something, but just on by itself it is very sweet. And I will say it's a little sweeter than other barbecue sauces I've had, but I still think it's good, and I would potentially buy it again in the future. Maybe it'll grow on me as I continue to cook. The burger was so good. Like the flavor, I seasoned it perfectly. It was really good. And the onions, oh my god. And then I didn't add anything on my yams. I, honest to God, just like raw yams. Like, I just like that. It's soft and it's warm and it tastes really good. I like it plain. When I'm feeling really spicy, I'll drizzle some cinnamon on that hoe. But other than that, 9 out of 10 times, if I'm eating it in the way that I cooked it today, where I'm just microwaving it and it's steamed, I just like it plain. The mistake I made was I think I didn't let my chickpeas dry long enough. I think I should have opened it earlier and let it drip dried earlier. But also, I saw a few videos where people put, like, once they molded the burger, they put it back in the fridge to let it kind of like settle, and then apparently that helps it stick. I can't eat flour, but if you can eat flour, I'm sure flour would have been fine. It was really good. Highly recommend you make it. You don't follow my recipe if you don't want to. That meal was very cheap. The can of chickpeas was like 49 fucking cents from Target, y'all. I was shooketh. And I've been wanting to cook with chickpeas for a really long time, and I just never have because I'm always like intimidated by them. I don't know why. And then I was on the Target yesterday. I went through a whole spiritual journey yesterday with motherfucking Target. We're not going to talk about it. But yesterday I was online looking to pick up an order, and I saw that they had chickpeas in a can for like 49 cents. I think it was like 48, 49 cents. And I was like, what the fuck? I was like, oh my god, these are so cheap. Like, I might as well. And so when I got the chickpeas, I was like, okay, what do? Like, I didn't know. I knew I could do it with rice, but I was kind of like, that's kind of, I want to do something else. And so that's when I saw that people make chickpea burgers. And so I'm really happy that I cooked this meal. It was really good. I have no other words than that. I've noticed over the past few weeks since becoming vegan, like, I'm really excited about food again. And that's something I haven't experienced in like 2, 3 years. So it's kind of a weird feeling to be like when you have an eating disorder, you think about food a lot. But now when I think about food, it's like, okay, how can I transform this tofu for this meal? Okay, what new vegan like product can I try this week? Okay, what can I do? Chickpeas. Okay, how do other people cook their lentils? What, like, and it's just been so much fun. And I've just been really enjoying cooking and eating lately, and it's just like I find myself smiling like during the meal, and I find myself smiling after the meal with like, it's kind of hard to feel guilty about what you eat when what you're eating isn't contributing to animal harm, excuse me. And I don't know, I'm not going to sit here and be like, "Oh, I have no eating disorder." Obviously, eating disorder recovery can take a really long time, but I've just noticed like a change and shift in my mood towards food. I don't know. I've been really enjoying eating lately. It's been a really like, I don't know. It just makes me feel really happy. But anyways, happy Veganuary. Did I say that correctly? I don't even know. To everyone, if you stumbled upon this video because you are trying to go vegan for January, hello, welcome. I hope you try to make a chickpea burger. Like I said, you don't have to follow my recipe. There's many ways to make a chickpea burger. Super easy. You don't even have to use the ingredients that I used. I know that you can do like a chickpea meatball kind of thing too. I saw this recipe with like a chickpea meatball, and I was like, oh my god, that would be so good. Like, just imagine like giant chickpea meatballs with some like, everyone shits on Daiya cheese, but their jalapeno Havarti is the best product that they carry. Their jalapeno Havarti and their chocolate cheesecake. I do like their pizzas. Those are, and their pasta. Their Alfredo pasta. Those are my like favorite products of theirs. I prefer the slices over the shredded cheese. If you guys ever are able to come across the jalapeno Havarti cheese, I'm telling you. But I was just like thinking about like a chickpea meatball with some like jalapeno Havarti cheese like melted on top, and then some like pasta with some basil. Oof, 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 oof. Thoughts are being thought. Thoughts are being thought. Comment down below if you guys have any chickpea like recipe dishes, because now that I know that chickpeas are that cheap, we're about to go ham. We're about to go ham on some chickpeas, okay? I didn't realize that was that cheap. I've also been thinking about making a video on how to make oat milk, because oats are really cheap, and it's really like ridiculously easy to make plant-based milk. Like, every time I tell someone how to do it, they're like, "Oh, that's all you have to do?" And it's like, yeah, that's all you have to do. It's really easy. So let me know if you guys are interested in that. And yeah. Oh, look, you can see my... Can you? I don't know. I think you can. Anyways, I'm gonna get going. I hope you guys are having a wonderful New Year and whatnot. My New Year's Eve was great. I spent the evening at a friend's house, and then I came home around like 9:30, and I was promptly asleep by 10:30, and I slept through the night, and I slept so peacefully. I was so happy. I'm a really heavy sleeper though, so like there was this was so funny. Okay, this is before I had the video. There was this like thunder and lightning storm a few days in California, and like people were freaking out about it. Like, there was a few of my favorite like influencers who were posting about the rain, and I didn't even know it was raining until I woke up, and everyone in my household was like, "Oh, did you hear the thunder and the lightning?" And I was like, I was asleep. Like, I've slept through earthquakes, you guys. Like, and my housemates were like, "You didn't wake up?" Like, oh my god. And I was like, no, I didn't know at all. I just knew it was raining. I had no idea that there was like lightning and thunder until I saw videos of it. And I was like, holy shit. I'm gonna get going. As always, y'all, a huge thank you to my patrons, to my YouTube members and subscribers, and to you for watching. By the way, I just updated my YouTube membership perks. So if you would like to join my YouTube membership, it is $1, or I think it's actually 99 cents. It's one of the two per month. If not, that is fine. I also have a link to my Patreon down below, and if you are vegan and you would like some vegan apparel, I have a Teespring shop that I have been working on for the past week, and I am obsessed with some of the things I've created. I have a ton of vegan items. I have tote bags, t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs and everything else. And all of the t-shirts, hoodies, and the tote bags, they're all a part of the Teespring Eco collection, so it's environmentally conscious, and that is something that I was really passionate about. Of course, as a vegan, I thought that was really, really sick that they offered that. I hope you guys had a wonderful New Year's, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that jazz, and I will see you in the next one. Alrighty, y'all. Bye!